a multi-billion-dollar brand. The first social commerce mobile service. $49, unlimited 4G nationwide voice, text, and data. Solavei, the next thing in mobile. So how do we get them hooked? We go big. We go really big. TV ads, billboards, and radio spots. We shout out to the world that we are here. We cut through the clutter. We put something out there the average person can aspire to, that we get it. With this campaign, we're building a multi-billion-dollar brand people can rally behind.
So how much is this campaign going to cost us?
We're projecting to spend $250 to $300 million the first year. I can show you the breakdown.
No, it's okay. It was a great presentation, great campaign. In fact, it could work. But that's a lot of money. And I believe there's a better way to spend that money. I believe he's a better way. I believe she's a better way. I believe they're a better way. Why spend all that money on ads when we can spend it on real people for simply sharing a great product and service with their friends?
My friends trust me more than any TV spot. I reach more people than any radio ad.
My actions speak louder than any billboard.
I am the TV spot.
I am the billboard.
I am the radio ad.
I am the future of advertising.
I am the best way to share.
I am Solavei.
I am Solavei.
I am Solavei.
I am Solavei.